What is the difference between a successful keto diet versus unsuccessful keto diet? Two women, same age, tried the keto diet. One shed multiple pounds in a week by eating perfectly. But then, she went out with friends, and ate whatever they ate. And just like that, it was downhill from there. The other woman was also strict at first. She lost a few pounds during the first week. And also went out to eat, yet she kept losing weight and making progress. So what is the difference between these two women? One fell into the trap. The trap of social pressure, but the other didn't. What caused the other to continue to stick to the keto diet? The plan. The first woman lacked the plan. The second woman had a plan. This one subtle but important difference made a big impact. She stuck to the plan and dropped 3 dress sizes in just 14 days. She felt unstoppable. In 4 weeks, she dropped 5 dress sizes. 5 dress sizes in just 28 days. Wow! Most people on a new diet have no plan. They gain knowledge as to what to eat and what not to eat. But they lack a daily plan to carry them through the first month. Without a plan, it's very easy to fall into the trap. The trap of social pressure. Making bad decisions results in ruining all their efforts. Losing weight requires determination. But it also requires a daily plan. That daily plan will get you to where you want to be. Don't worry. There is a plan for you. That plan has guided over 416,387 people to successfully lose weight. It is a 28-day keto challenge. It is a complete keto diet plan that guides you every step of the way. You are never left to figure things out on your own. You can't leave your diet to chance. You have to follow the plan. 28-day keto challenge. Sign up now and get your 28-day meal plan. Visit reviewsal.com/healthy now. The link is in the description. You will also get 10 expert guides to educate and inspire you. Simply visit reviewsal.com/healthy now. Dare to take the challenge? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon.